everyone, welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. In today's video, we're going to check out this Re-Ment Petite Patisserie. I am so excited to get into this one. If you guys have been enjoying the Make It Mini food, I'm sure you'll love this. You can find this set on Amazon for $64.58. But we've recently found a new site to order Re-Ments from called PLAZA Japan. And this one was $36.23. And the more you buy, the cheaper the shipping will be. I'll of course add the links in the description box below. I bought the complete set, so there are 8 miniature boxes inside. All right, just looking at the front of this box makes me want to craft and make some miniature desserts. I think we'll have to give that a try once we're done opening these boxes. All right, let's open the first one. Now each box comes with a little piece of paper inside, and they have like little labels and extra little paper crafts that you can do. So don't throw those away. So this first bag, we have a little metal tray, and we have a little green dessert. Oh, how cute is that? And we have like a little macaroon dessert. Oh, isn't that cute? It also comes with a pie server, a little petite patisserie sign, and it has the gold foil that would go under your desserts. So those would sit on that like so. And then it's got these little gold holders for the little signs. And the little signs just slip in like so. The last thing it comes with is a little to-go box that you have to fold together. Like so. So that's box number 1. This set is called the Featured New Collection. And on to box number 2. Oh, this one comes with some of the display case. Oh boy, there's lots of stuff in this one. So they have a tiny little display case that comes with this set. And this is the little corner piece. And my question is if I can kind of incorporate it somewhere in my cafe build. And yeah, maybe I can. Kind of fun. It also comes with 3 mandolin cookies. And each cookie has a little clear plastic bag to put it in. Like so. And then it has this little basket to put them in. It also comes with these little cookie canisters, and each one has a lid and a label. Just gonna stick the label as evenly as possible, and then this one says cocoa, so the chocolate cookies are going to go in this one. Now there's a stack of cookies and a single cookie, and they go in the little jar, and then the little lid goes on top. All right, I just realized that I put the full sticker on. There's actually just a tiny sticker that I was supposed to peel off. So that's what the actual label is supposed to look like. And then you can actually see your cookies in there. Aren't these cute? The last thing in the bag was a little to-go box, a to-go bag, and a little bag of coffee, it says. It says a petite blend. Very cute. This one is called the baked goods set. All right. Box number 3. Oh, okay. I'm excited about this one. This one's like the birthday cake one. Okay, let's check this out. So it comes with a little clear stand that you have to put together, which is just adorable. Nice little details there. And then you've got the birthday cake, which is a white cake. The bottom really looks like vanilla cake. And then you have blueberries and strawberries and whipped cream on top. Now, the cool thing about this cake is it has the extra strawberries you can add in. Or, if you don't want strawberries, you can add this little happy birthday sign. How cute is that? Or, it comes with all sorts of tiny little numbers. So if we clip these out, we can add the little numbers to the cake. Got to get them in the little pegs or the little holes right, but how cute is that? It also comes with a little cake box that will fit this cake in. And it is such a great box design. It just folds right up and the tabs slip right in. And then it's also got the little handles on the top. So how fun is that? Ooh, I love this one. The name of this set is The White Cake, and it's box number 4. Oh, I didn't notice it. The happy birthday sign can also be happy anniversary on the other side. How cool is that? All right, what are we on? Box number 4. Oh, this is the one with the tea in it. Oh, I'm so excited about this. All right, so we have a couple more desserts. We've got 2 chocolate desserts. Oh, this one's like a heart. And it's layered. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, there is also like a chocolate swirl dessert. Oh, that's fun. And there's a 4th dessert. Like a white chocolate. Ooh, oh my gosh. Makes you want to eat dessert, doesn't it? Each of the desserts has the little foil to sit on. There are 3 that are round for the more rounded dessert. And there is a rectangle one for the chocolate rectangle dessert. Each one comes with the little gold stand. Oh, which are incredibly tiny and want to roll away. It also comes with 2 little chocolate bars, and what they are, they're just little boxes that you fold up. The last thing that comes with this is a little tin of tea, and you have to apply the label very carefully here. And there is the cute little tin of tea. Oh my gosh. I need to make more of these. I'm excited about that. This set is called Chocolate Cake. And it also has the little cards that you can cut out and like a little booklet thing. Ooh, with a chef about chocolate. Fun. Cool. All right. Box number 5. Let's see what we got in here. All right. Ooh. What is this? All right. This is the dessert cup set. Comes with a little stand. Oh, that is so cute. And a little like calendar that goes on it. We've got like it literally says, do not eat. It's like a tiny little silica packet almost. It comes with another to-go box. And then it's got 1, 2 little cups, and there's the little desserts that go inside. Oh, they're like little fruit cups. Oh. And then we got a third little guy. And ooh, it's a cream puff. Ooh, that looks good. And it comes with a tiny little clear spoon. It has the little gold dessert, the little gold stamps, and the little printables for the stamps. Oh, and there's like a napkin here as well. That's cool. All right, we've got box number 6. This is the sweetbread set. And it comes with, oh, it's like a little magazine. And another little, 2 little labels. Oh, the magazine even has stuff on the inside. Oh, very cute. All right, so it comes with a little rack and a little metal tray and the little bag. We've got a couple of these little desserts here. Some tongs that actually open and close. Oh my gosh. How cool is that? And a couple pieces of fried bread. Getting hungry here. All right, box number 7. Ooh, we've got more dessert. Oh boy. Comes with another to-go box that we can fold up. And then we've got our little gold stands, or our little gold paper again. It comes with a teeny tiny little clear fork here. And we have a chocolate and orange dessert, a strawberry cream dessert, an apple dessert, and this one looks like little grapes. Ooh, yum. Got the little gold stands. So this set is called Fruit Cake. Seems appropriate. And on the inside, or on the back side, it just has the little labels that we can cut out. All right, for our last box, we have, oh, okay, the display case, which we'll see if we can use that somehow for our 1/6 scale. Oh, got a little strawberry dessert. Love that one. All right, so the display case has a base, and then the glass piece goes inside, and it has a shelf that slips into place, which, I don't know, I think you could add it on somehow, maybe work it, add it to the back of the cafe or something. It's cute. So this one comes with the strawberry cake on a rectangle foil and a round foil with this like little crazy chocolate mousse. Kind of looks like a troll. Troll hair. Oh, very fun. And of course, they have the little stands. This set is called Classic Cake, and it has a diploma and then the price signs for the cakes. If you haven't seen our cafe video, don't forget to check it out. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Poppy Seed Mini. How cool was it to check out that Re-Ment? And I'm pretty sure this next episode needs to be us crafting some of these cute desserts. So stay tuned for the next episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have fun crafting.